Hi my lovelies, so I am back with another video. Having to squeeze this one in. It is the 21st of December currently, and I realised I haven't even filmed a Christmas Glam video, which obviously being an MUA is sort of not okay. So yeah, I have done my uni work for the day. I've been in the gym, I've even had my COVID booster. I'm on a roll, so I thought, why not, let's get a video filmed as well whilst I'm on a roll. I'm out tomorrow with some friends back in Liverpool. As you can see, I am back home. If you've been with me for a while, you will notice the background. We're gonna crack on with the video. So I thought it'd be fun to just create a sort of Christmassy look, nothing too extravagant, but I do love Christmas Glam. So I'm just literally popping P. Louise on my lid. This isn't gonna, well, it's gonna sort of be a tutorial slash just a chit chat really. I'm gonna try quite a few new products out, to be honest. Stuff that I got gifted for my birthday, and products I got on Black Friday, because I said in my previous video I might do like a testing and reviewing, and I think that would be fun to do today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've also started doing my brows last, well not last but further on in the routine, which a lot of you who've been following me for a while will have noticed that that's weird for me. So I've just literally applied P. Louise all over, and my friend who I couldn't see on my 21st came round the other day and gave me my presents, and she got me a couple bits from Morphe, and one of the bits is this palette. It is the 9 Bronze Metal palette, the 9 shades one, and it's literally the most ideal travel palette ever, for me anyway, because I am a shimmer queen, and it's got like the best transitional colours, and then you can sort of choose what sort of shimmer you want to go for. So I thought this is literally perfect for the Christmas season. So I'm going to go in with this palette today, just because it would be rude not to test it out before I apply this. And I'm just going to go in with the darker shade. That is the shade First Place, which is just a really dark brown. That pigment though. I'm literally just going to pack this on the outer corner. I'm probably just going to make a sort of glitzy smoky eye, to be honest, because I feel like that's quite a Christmassy look. But yeah, I love that. That is stunning. And I'm just going to bring it forward, I think, as well, just a bit, because if I want it to be quite smoky, happy with that. I'm just really blending this out because I feel like it looks patchier on camera than it does in person. So I feel like the camera is picking up what I've not sort of got, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I feel like with YouTube you actually learn so much more about makeup and how it works with your lighting. Right, so I've just sort of blended that the best I can. It still doesn't look right on camera, but trust me, in person it doesn't actually look that bad. I went in as well with the shade Champion, which is that middle sort of, I don't know what colour you call that, chocolatey shade. And now I'm going to go in with Get Glitzed, which is this bronzy shimmer here, and we're just going to place this sort of on the lid. The only thing I'd say with Morphe palettes is there's a lot of fallout, which is like not ideal, but we move. And I'm literally just placing that all over the lid, and I'm not being too exact with it just because you don't want it to be, you don't want it to look really like you're trying to be neat when you're doing a smoky eye. You just want it to look a bit random, a bit all over the show. And I feel like the smoky eyes that end up actually looking the best. So I think I'm going to leave it at that for now, just because I'm thinking of doing a liner afterwards. I think it's just going to pull the look together. What next? We'll do the liner now. So my friends got me some peaches and cream pigments for my birthday, and there's this really stunning one called Dynamite. I think it's actually quite a popular one. It's just like a really nice bronze colour, but I thought this would be really nice as a liner. I've been loving the Mitchell brushes since I got them, so I think I'm going to use this to do the look. I'm literally just going to pour a bit of the peaches and cream liquid. This has been leaking and I don't know why or how, because the lid's been on, but I'm just going to pour a bit of the liquid on my hand like so, just a couple drops, and then I'm going to scoop a bit of the pigment like so, and just literally, what if I just dropped? Oh god, the thing that was leaking. I'm gonna have to pick that up in a sec. And it just sort of, I don't know if you can see, makes it into a like really nice paste sort of thing. Like perfect for a liner basically, and I'm literally just going to create 2 lines on my eyes with that. So as you can see, that's literally just added a bit of pop of gold, which we love. So next is another new product, if I can find it. I'm going to be going in with the Pink Honey Wonder Whip pencil. I got this in a deal. If you watch my last video, you'll find out how. I'm not going to be using the actual pink honey today just because my little water bottle has no water in and I can't really bother going to sort it. So you get a pencil and a spoolie, just like most like eyebrow pencils nowadays. So I'm just going to brush them upwards. My brows aren't very dark at the minute. I could do with dyeing them really, but we move. And I'm literally just going to fill it in. I don't know what this colour is going to be like on me, I'm not going to lie. It wasn't the colour I initially wanted, but they'd sold out of the colour that I wanted, so that was great. I'm quite enjoying like the soft brow look at the moment. Well, a softer brow, I wouldn't say it's that soft, but yeah. Like so, and then obviously just brush through with your spoolie. That's actually, I love that. Oh my god, look at the difference. That's really nice. Safe to say, that is a definite repurchase. I love that. That is amazing. Oh my god. Right, so I'm literally just going to apply some mascara. I'm not going to bother curling my lashes because I'm not going out anywhere, and I'm literally going to stick a pair of lashes on. So I'm just using the Smashbox Superfan mascara. Then we're going to prime. I have 2 things that are quite similar, to be fair, and I think I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Primer just because it kind of does what the blurring balm does. It is a primer as well. So I'm going to go in with this, and I'm literally just using a stippling brush, swirling it in, and we're just going to pack that on the face. I literally saw the other day, if you watched my previous video, you're actually going to think I'm obsessed with her, but I watched Olivia on TikToks. She did like a full face of e.l.f. and it looked really nice, and I was just like, maybe I need to venture out more in e.l.f. Like I love the putty primer and the putty blush, and she was using a putty bronzer and it literally looked like it melted into the skin like a dream. So I was like, okay, I know my next purchase sort of thing. So once I've done that, then it's time for foundation. Foundation that I am using is the Born This Way Too Faced. However, they match me up in store and it matched me really nicely. I'm like, now I've got it. Like the colours aren't corresponding. Sorry. So to counteract this issue, I'm going to try another Amelia Olivia hack. She recommended the Tanologist Instant Tan and Illuminator, and she literally went viral for just popping this on her neck. So best believe that's what we're about to do. I'm just going to pop it on a big brush. She applies it with like a specific type of brush, but I don't have one of them, and I wasn't really willing to buy one just in case I don't like this technique. But she literally just, oh my god, that's a lot. And she literally just drags it down. Her neck. And obviously if you're wearing a high-waist top, obviously you might not be wearing a hoodie, but if you're wearing a top, look at that, it now is going to make it look like I can get away with a dark foundation shade. And now we can go in with the foundation, which might be more of a match now. So I'm literally just going to squirt some on the back of my hand. I really need to clean my brushes, they are minging, but oh yeah, that's going to match so much better, but I need my mirror for this. I'm really impressed. That is a good, let me just turn this down. Yeah, that's a good match. And then obviously I'm just going to quickly go over that beauty blender. I should have done my eyebrows even later, but we move. My eyes look really blue in this. They're supposedly green. Next, I'm going to be taking the Mama Mitchell blush, and this is the bronzer in the shade Toned Up. And I'm just going to be creating a couple wherever I want it, basically. Just going to blend that out with a little tapered contour stick. As you can see, that blends out really, really nicely. I'm obsessed with them. I was going to show you the blush, but I have a new product that I haven't yet tried, and that is the Pink Honey, the Blush Bible. This literally came out, and I got this in the shade Fire. This literally came out on Black Friday, and they put it in this £30 package. Again, watch my previous video if you want the details, but I was like, a new product and all of it for £30, like how can you say no? So it comes with 2 little packages like this. Oh right, okay, so you clip them together and you get one big blush Bible. So obviously if you did want them separate, if you keep your cream blush, rude, if you keep your cream blush and your powder blush separate, obviously you may prefer to separate them, but if you're traveling, perfect. I've got the shade Fire. You get 10 grams of product. So this is the powder, and it's a really nice fiery orangey peachy colour, and then this is the cream. So I'm quite excited to try this. I've not done anything like this, but you know what I've just remembered? I've not done any concealer, but I'm not going to show you that because it's not a new product. It's literally just my 2 new faves. So, well, I say new faves, 2 oldies but goodies. Anti-age, well, the Age Eraser Maybelline one and the Maybelline Fit Me. I do this one first because it's closer to my foundation colour, and then I use this one on top just to brighten up the area. Literally, like so flawless, if I do say so myself. Right, so the cream blush, oh my god, I can't open it now. And I'm just gonna sort of swipe it. It does actually look like this could be quite pigmented. I'm gonna get up close and personal so you can see. Stunning. Oh my god, stunning. It's probably more of a summery colour, but if you're a all-around blush gal and don't really care, then win-win. I'm just going to be going in with my DB2 angle brush. I love this for blush. I just find it hits the right spots. I'm scared. It's quite pigmented. So I'm just quickly going to set my under eyes with the Jordan Siege powder. I don't have any new powders. I'll be back in a sec. And I've also just realised I forgot to try the new concealer. To complete the look, I'm just going to pop a bit of that middle shade under my eyes. I'm saying to complete the look, I still need to do my lips and my lashes, but I'm going to go in with these little bright silver, and we're just going to, well, I say silver gold, but we're just going to highlight those inner corners. Tip of your nose. And then this is a relatively new highlight again, Amelia Olivia Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Shimmer Brick, and this is in the shade Afterglow. They're stunning. You've just got to be careful where you dab, because it does actually pick up on the colour, and obviously there's a darker shade down there, so you've just got to be a bit careful. But so I'll stick my lashes on off camera, but first I want to do a red lip. So yeah, wish me luck, because I forgot my red lip liner. In fact, no, I'm still going to line my lips. Who do I think I am? There you go. So that is the finished look. I've literally just given my face a quick spray with the Iconic London Glow Mist. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. I think it's a really nice look. It's not overly Christmassy, it's very, very wearable. Obviously the red lip makes it that bit more Christmassy. You can make it so much more sparkly. In fact, I probably would next time. But yeah, lovely glowy skin, nice soft eyebrow, a bit of a smoky eye moment, which I don't do very often in this sense. I'm quite very much a colour queen, and I think, oh, my lashes just isn't quite. And I think the winged cat eye lashes literally just add to the look. I guess they sort of like make that sort of flirty look, so obviously this would like be so ideal for a first date, but maybe not the red lippy, because red lippy and first date just doesn't sound, it sounds like a recipe for disaster. But yeah, so I know it's been a bit of a chaotic video, I do apologise. I'm hoping when I edit it, it won't be as bad as I'm thinking it is in my head. But yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed it. Hopefully it might give you a bit of inspo for getting ready on Christmas Day. And if it did, I'd love it if you could leave me a comment. Obviously leave me a like if you wish to do so, and if you could subscribe, it would mean the world. I'm so close to 100 subscribers now, which, as much as it's such a small milestone, it's a big one for me, sort of thing, because considering how inconsistent I have been with my YouTube, I just think that to hit that when I'm so busy with uni work, etc., and I've like not been consistent over the past few months, it'd be amazing to hit it. I know I won't hit it before the end of the year, but if I could hit it in January, I would be over the moon. So oh, we have a fibre in the view. But yeah, I hope you all have a lovely Christmas. I'm thinking I might do a what I got for Christmas haul. If you could like, comment and subscribe, it would mean the world. And if you could give me a follow over on my Instagram at Beauty by Betty, that would also mean the world. I really need to rest this arm now, my booster's hurting. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.